Hi guys, it's Nadine from Cult of Mac, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing a Carterjett leather watch band. So, like many of our other Carterjett videos, still the same packaging, just a different product. So, open it up, and inside we have the watch band, the leather one, and the same clear seals. And then it also comes with this thank you card with a little, I think each one has a different coupon for another next purchase if you would like to purchase another one later on. But this is the watch band and I want to tell you guys more about it, so let's get into it.
This band is made with 2-layer genuine leather that is soft and comfortable right out of the box. It also has polished black steel hardware, burnished edges, and minimal stitching that give it a clean and high-end look for a fraction of the cost. Carterjett products are also very reliable. Their adapters don't have any screws, and their steel adapter pins are thicker than the others and permanently attached to the wristbands. This ensures the safety of your Apple Watch never falling from your wrist. Carterjett's bands also come in a huge range of sizes, from size small to extra large. You can find this band in a variety of colors at our watch store, and it runs for $34.99.
Alright, so that's all we have for the Carterjett leather watch band. If you like this watch band, make sure to go check it out at our watch store. We have this available as well as other leather colors for Carterjett and a lot of different styles. And if you like this video, as always, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!